back to our channel, The Buzz Bus. I'm Melody and today I'm here with my nana,
Carol.
We're sorry that my granddad couldn't be with us today, but please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell and please comment down below of what you think about the video.
This video is about putting the bike together, ready for use. I've done it and it's pretty simple, and if I could do it, anybody could do it. So John's going to be showing you that, and there is a bit of a price change, and he will set up links for Banggood and Amazon in the comments below. So we hope you enjoy this video.
I will now show you how quick and simple it is to put the bike together. It takes less than a minute to do. Just lift it up, swing it round, push it together, catch down, over, Sorry about that, that was the washing machine finishing. Pedal out, pedal out. There you go, that's it. All done, ready to go on the road. So the bike goes together in no time at all. I'll take you a quick tour around the bike now, pointing out the different things. Bear with me a moment. Okay, start at the back. You can see there's 6 gears. Mud guards. Here is your rear disc brake. You have an adjustable stand. Here below the seat is a shock absorber, which is you're able to unscrew the valve nut here, and you can actually put in more air with a bicycle pump to make it firmer. Okay, we'll come now to the saddle adjustment. It's just a clip out, as you see. Bear with me a second, it's a bit low. Clip back in. Seat, nice and soft. I'll show you now the locking mechanism. It's quite simple. Up, out. This piece here is basically what locks it. According to YouTube, sometimes the nut can get loose. It's just a matter of tightening up in there with an Allen key, which comes with the kit, and that's it, locked. Underneath this here is your charging port. We'll go around to the front. You've got front mud guards, quite chunky tyres, front disc brake, front lamp, bear with me, I'll turn it on. Oops, sorry. There you go, front light off. The locking mechanism for the handles is here. These again similar to the back. Can you hold that, Carol, please? Keep it pointing at this piece. All it is, again, out, down and up. This piece is your height adjustment on the handlebars. It works the same principle as the one on the seat. coming up, you can actually, this one here up is to adjust the handlebars to what suits you. Okay, you got your rear brake, that's right, sorry, this is your front brake, this one's the rear brake, this is your, let's see if we get it tuned, focused in a bit. No, hang on, let's just take this plastic off. This here is your 6 speeds. Once if you're down in the lower gear, it's just a matter, hang on, just a matter of pushing the button and you'll move up to your 6th gear. We brought the phone holder. The reason is there's no speedometer on the bike, and you can download an app that will actually give you your mileage as well as your GPS, so you can find your way around. This here is the controller. Hold it down, goes off. Hold it down, on. As you can see, you're in low assist at the moment. By pushing the plus button, medium assist. This is not focusing in very well today for some reason. And high. As you can see, it says it's fully charged. Bear with me. I don't understand why this isn't focusing today. You got your light and horn, so that's basically it. Show you the pedals. To move the pedals in and out is a little lever there, pull it in, turn it up. Okay, if Carol can come round here please. We'll show you the motor running. Can you hold it up the back tyre? Okay folks, here we go. It's twist and go. There's your disc brakes, medium speed. Hello. And at low speed, Carol, could you bring it round to the throttle? This is the throttle. Oops. It's just twist, pull and go. That's it. It's just a matter of twisting. Well, there you go. That's the bike. It's simple to put together, really easy to use. We'll take you on a test drive once this October weather changes. We've had it terrible here in Wales. There is some bad news. Like I said, we paid, what was it, £502 and 7 pence each for these bikes. Banggood, I noticed yesterday, they have now gone up to £564, I think it was, each. So that's a big jump of 62 quid. The good news though is that Amazon, when we first looked at them, they wanted over £700 for the bikes. They have now dropped them down to 588, I think they are. So they're much price with the ones we got, these ones from the Czech Republic. I personally, if you're interested in the bikes, I would look at the Amazon one, because if there is anything wrong, you've got your 30-day no quibble return with Amazon, and they pick up the cost. Where with Banggood, it's a bit hit and miss. I brought a 3D printer off them last Christmas, and he had a faulty bed, and by the time they actually got back to me it was over the month and they was arguing about the return. But lucky enough I paid with PayPal and we managed to get that sorted. But like I say, I would personally spend the extra £20 and get them from Amazon. I will put a link in the description below of both the Amazon page as well as the Banggood page, so it's up to you. Well, thanks for watching. The next video will be when we get a nice day. Hopefully this week we'll take it down to the point, show you some just normal road use, and then we'll come back across on the grass to show you some off-road use. Apparently they're good for both, and like I say, it is twist and go, so if you're a bit lazy and you don't want to, you could do like you do with the scooters, just turn the throttle and go from start. Okay, well, thanks for watching. As usual, take care, stay safe, and happy travelling to you all. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.